Friends, let's learn distance covered in nth second. So you have first method known as algebraical method. So here you know that S is equals to ut plus half at square. When time is n minus 1, that is for t equals to n minus 1, you have to change t by n minus 1. So right here s n minus 1 is equals to u under bracket s minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 whole square. Now when time is t, when time t is n, that is 4 time t equals to n second. Right here s n is equals to un plus a by 2 n square. So this is distance covered in n second and this is distance covered in n minus 1 second. When you subtract these two, you get distance covered in nth second, that is the last second. So therefore, distance cover in nth second is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1, and this distance covered in nth second is written as S nth. So put the value of Sn. The value of Sn is un plus a by 2 n square. It is un plus a n square upon 2. Give a minus sign and put the value of Sn minus 1. So Sn minus 1 is this quantity. Put it here. You have un minus 1 plus a upon 2 n minus 1 square. Now solve this. So you get here un plus an square upon 2 minus, here you have un minus u plus a by 2, here you have n square minus 2n plus 1 bracket. Now enter this minus sign inside the bracket. So you have to open the bracket. So when you open the bracket, you have to write S nth is equals to un plus an square by 2 minus un plus u minus a by 2 n square plus a by 2 into 2n minus a by 2. So this minus sign when enter inside the bracket, this un become minus un, this u become plus u, and this minus sign when come this side, this become minus a by 2. When minus a by 2 multiply with n square, it become minus an square by 2. When this multiply with 2n, we have minus minus plus, so we have a by 2 2n, and this is 1, so we have minus a by 2 here. Now you are seeing that this quantity will be cancelled out and this will also cancel out. So what you have remaining u. From this two quantity take out a by 2, so you have 2n minus 1. This is S nth is equals to 2n minus 1. This you have seen algebraical method to obtain the value of S nth. So S nth equals to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. Let us understand the same derivation by another method known as graphical method. So here you have method number 2, graphical method. Graphical method. For graphical method, we have to take a uniform accelerated graph. So we have a Vt graph. This is a uniform accelerated graph. Here you have V in meter per second. Let time in second. So this is u and this is the final velocity, which is v here. Let this be O point. Now drop this line. This is time t. Let time t equals to n second. So this is equals to n. So n minus 1, let this is a point which is said to be time t equals to n minus 1 second. N minus 1 second. Then distance covered in nth second is distance covered between these two time interval, which is the distance of this shaded region. So you have to find the distance of this shaded region. So let us name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Now distance of shaded region is equals to distance of shaded region is equals to area of rectangle CBFE plus area of this whole triangle. So this is area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle minus area of triangle this is, let this point be F here, so it is FCD. This is the area of the shaded region. Let this angle is theta. In right triangle you have FDC. What is tan theta? Perpendicular by base. So this is FC perpendicular and base is DC. FC, you don't know what is FC, but you know what is DC. DC is the time n minus 1. So right here n minus 1. You know that tan theta is the slope, which is acceleration. So at the place of tan theta I am writing A for acceleration. This is FC divided by n minus 1. So here you can write FC is equals to A n minus 1. Here you get the value of FC. Now in this side, distance of shaded region is said to be S nth distance. Here area of rectangle, this area of rectangle is base into height. So the base is EF and EF is distance 1. EF is distance n minus 1. This is base and height is this BF, which is U plus area of triangle ABD. So what is the area of triangle ABD? Half base into height, half base is DB. This means that n, and height is distance. This distance is U and this is V. So this is V minus U. So height of the triangle is V minus U. So right here V minus U. Give a minus sign. Right here half. Area of FCD. FCD is base. Base is n minus 1. And height is FC and FC is A n minus 1. So right here A n minus 1. Now you know that A equals to V plus UT. So this means that, you know that V equals to U plus AT. So from here you have V minus U is equals to AT. This is the first equation of motion. So at the place of V minus U, write AT here. So you have S nth is equals to n minus 1 means you have 1 into U plus n upon 2, and at the place of V minus U we are writing AT, and here T stands for n. So further this is equals to AN because T equals to n here. So here you are writing here A into n minus A upon 2 n minus 1 whole square. So this is U plus AN square upon 2 minus a upon 2 n square minus 2n plus 1. So which you have u plus a n square by 2. So you have minus a n square by 2 plus a n here you have a n 2 upon 2 plus a by 2 here. So cancel this quantity. Now you write u plus, from this 2 quantity you have a minus sign also here. This is you have minus sign here. Because of this minus, this quantity become minus, this become plus, and this become minus. So from this 2 quantity take out a by 2. So again you have 2n minus 1. Thus you have seen the same formula in graphical method. Now understand the same formula. Snth equals to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1 by calculus method. So your third method is said to be calculus. Let us see it using calculus method. So you know that v is equals to dx upon dt. This is said to be instantaneous velocity. And here you know that what is v? v equals to u plus at. Put here u plus at. And this is equals to dx upon dt. So dx is equals to u plus at into dt here. Now you have to integrate it with proper limit. So let us integrate it with proper limit. Integrating with proper limit. So the limit on the LHS side is s n minus 1. So s n. This is said to be dx. And on the RHS side, the limit is n minus 1 to n. So u plus at dt here. So dx integration is x. Put a bracket here. Write here s n minus 1. So sn here. On the RHS side, take u outside. Give a sign of integration n minus 1 n dt. A outside, it is t dt. So write here n minus 1 n. Now integrate it to get the desired value. On the LHS side, we have s n minus s n minus 1. This is the n second. On the RHS side, you have u. Here dt integration is t. Give a bracket. Write here n minus 1 to n. It is a. Integration of t is t square upon 2. Give a bracket. Write here n minus 1 to n. Now put the value u. This is, place this n, give a minus sign, write here n minus 1 plus a by 2. At the place of t, write here n square minus n minus 1 whole square. Now solve it. So here you get u into 1 and a by 2. Inside the bracket you get n square minus n square plus 2n plus 1. So inside it you get, this is minus, so you have minus sign here. This is a square minus 2a plus 1. So you have u plus a by 2. Under bracket you have n square minus n square plus 2n minus 1. Cancel this. Again you have u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. This is s nth. This is said to be s nth. So thus you have seen the formula s nth by 3 methods known as algebraical method, graphical method and calculus method. Let us see numerical based on this. So I am framing a question for you. The question is, suppose s second, when the s second, this means that distance covered in second is equals to 12 meter, and s fourth, distance covered in 4 seconds is equals to 40 meter. Let it not 40, let it be 20. 40 is very greater, let it be 20 meter. So distance covered in second is 12 meter, distance covered in 4 seconds is 20 meter. So what is the distance in 4 seconds after the 5th second? You have to find this. So let us see how we are going to solve this question. As we know that S nth equals to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. So you have S second is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2 minus 1, which is equals to u plus a by 2. Here 2 into 2 4 minus 1 is 3. So you have 3a upon 2. Now S second is 12 given, so write here 12, which is equals to u plus 3a by 2, equation number 1. And in the same way, S fourth, this is fourth, is equals to u plus a by 2 into right here 4 minus 1. So 2 into 4 8 minus 1 7. So I have u plus 7a upon 2. And here S fourth is 20, right here 20, equation number 2. Solve equation 2 and 1. So subtract 2 and 1, solving equation 2 and 1. So what we have? 20, we have 12, and on the upper side you have u plus 7a upon 2, and here you have u plus 3a upon 2. Let's subtract this. Cancel this. 20 minus 12 is 8 here. And on the RHS side, 7a by 2, 3a by 2. This means that 4a by 2. You have 4a upon 2. This is a. So you cancel this. This become 2. So a is equals to 4 meter per second square. Thus you get the value of a, which is 4 meter per second square. So now put the value of a in equation number 1. Put a equals to 4 meter per second square in equation 1, in this equation. So you have 12 is equals to u plus 3 into 4 upon 2. So cancel this. You have 2, 3 into 2 6. So you have 12 minus 6 equals to u equal to 6 meter per second. Here you also get u. Now we already get what is u, and we have already get what is a. We are going to find distance, what is the distance covered in 4 seconds after the 5th second. This means that you have to find the distance 4 seconds after the 5th second. This means that there is distance covered is 4 plus 5 is 9 seconds minus 5 seconds. So this is the desired distance is S, and S is distance covered in 9 seconds minus distance covered in 5 seconds. It is not 5th, it is 9 seconds, not 5. It is not 5th, it is 5 seconds. So you know the formula, S is equals to ut plus half at square. So here you are going to write S equals to, in the place of S9 you write u into 9 plus a upon 2 9 square minus S5. So you have write u into 5 plus a upon 2 and t is 5 square. So 9u minus 5u is equals to 4u here, plus you have a by 2 common, right here a by 2 common, 9 square 5 square, 9 square minus 5 square is here. So this is equals to 4. What is u? U is 6 here, right here 6. What is a? A is 4, right here 4. So this is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So 9 minus 5 is 4, and 9 plus 5 is 14. Now cancel this. This is 2 here. So here 4 into 6, that is 24. Here 2 into 4 is 8 into 14, so it is 24 plus 4, 8 into 4 is 32, 2 is here, 3 is on hand, 8 into 1 8, so 8 plus 3 is 11 here, so add it, so 112 plus 24, it is 6, it is 3, it is 1, so it is 136 meter. So distance covered in 4 seconds after the 5 second completed is 136 meter. Thus you have seen that how to derive the equation for nth second and how to solve question on this. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.